Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to walk through how to apply an e-visa, which is also called B2 for Israel. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this Israel Population and Immigration Authority website where you can see the steps for this e-visa has been given. Step number 1, verify your email address. Step number 2, provide travel information, passport details, personal details and documents. Finally, pay the fee. Of course, I'm not going to pay the fee. But yeah, I'll be able to walk you through. So disclaimer is there. You need to agree, of course. So two options you have as an individual, as a family. I'm going for individual. Next is to put email and click on verify your email. So I'm going to do this and then I'm going to see you guys. Okay guys, so what happens is it sends a 6-digit code to your email address that you have to put in, and then it comes to this page. Okay, where you have to put your travel information. So step number 1 we have gone through already. About your visit to Israel, main purpose of visit, I select tourism, expected date. So let's say how long has the visa you are requesting been processed and approved in Israel? Have you are you planning to enter it more than once as part of it? I said no. Places you want to visit. So I'm just writing yes, provide full details which places you are planning to visit. I just write this. Are you plan to stay for a while in the Palestinian Authority? I select no. Do it as per your own case. Select the country you're currently staying. I'm sorry. Oh, Indian citizens. Okay, so I'm sorry. Indian residents. As of now, it's open for Indians. Okay. Select embassy. This is a pilot program, but in future, definitely they will extend it to other countries too. Enter passport details. Do it as per your own case, guys, and verify everything at least 2 times. This is for Indian residents as of now. Okay. Hmm. Is a passport biometric? It's like this. Family name, date of issue. Check your passport for this. Date of birth, place of birth. These details should match with your passport to avoid any issues. Mail, personal details, additional nationality and citizenship. India does not allow dual nationality, so I'll skip this question because it's not mandatory. Marital status, as a single. Father's name, family name. Sample guys. Place of birth for father. For mother. Grandfather's name. Wow. Muhammad's place of birth. Contact information. Phone number. Wow. You have social network account. Wow. So definitely like in your all visa applications, you have to be truthful. So Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, these are very common social media profiles. So you should provide the URL because this sample video I'm not gonna submit. That's why I select OK. But if you try to lie, they're gonna find out. Okay, so don't do like that. Yeah. Mm, Occupation. I selected employed, whatever is your case. Name of organization, role, phone number. Have you visited Israel before? I select no. Have you applied for Israel visa, ETA, or permit to work? Countries that you have visited in past 5 years. So provide the information because it's not a mandatory question, so I'm skipping, but provide the information. Okay, documents. What are the documents required? Passport or travel document, passport photo, copy of your passport or travel documents, round-trip flight tickets, health insurance, proof of Israeli accommodation like hotel booking, evidence of sufficiency, financial documents. They have also specified what you need. Additional documents also they have asked. Hmm. And once you go through this, next is going to be review and pay. Of course, I'm not going to do that, but you got an idea how to do this. So this is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this. Sorry. And please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.